We have our beads, that is the red beads, the white beads and green beads and the black beads, and our manila or our fishing rod or a thread. You hold your thread using your two hands, one end on your left hand and one end on your right hand. You start by picking 4 black beads using your right hand. Then the last bead, the 4th bead, you cross it with the thread on the rod on your left hand. Then you put them downwards to form this shape. You pick a white bead using your right hand, a white bead using your left hand, and a red bead using your right hand. Then you cross it with the rod on your left hand. Then you put them downwards this way. You pick a red bead using your right hand and a red bead using your left hand. And a red bead using your right hand, sorry. Then you cross it this way. It should be forming this shape. You take a white bead using your right hand and a white bead using your left hand. And a green bead using your right hand. You cross it. You take a green bead using your right hand and a green, you take a green bead using your right hand, a green bead using your right, and another one. Then you cross it using the left hand thread that way. You should form this shape. Then you take 3 beads, green beads using your right hand. You cross the last bead using the thread on your left hand. You take the thread on your left hand, you pass it through the white bead. Then you take a white bead using your right hand and a red bead using your right hand. You pass it. You take the thread on your left hand, you pass it through the red bead. You take 2 red beads using your right hand. You take the thread on your left hand to pass it through the white bead. Take a white bead using a right hand thread and a black bead using a right hand. You take the thread on your left hand, you pass it through the black bead. Then take the left bead, the left thread, you pick 2 black beads. the tray to form that shape. You see now you have 2 lines of each color. You take 3 black beads using your right hand. 3 black beads using your right hand. And take the left thread, pass it through the white bead, you take a white bead and a red bead, pass the left thread through the red bead, take 2 red beads using your right hand, pass the left thread through the white bead, take a white and a green bead, pass the left thread through the green bead, take 2, you turn your beads, the left side to come to the right side, you pick 2 green beads using your right hand, progress.